Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OE level past paper. For today, we shall discuss paper 3 Pure Mathematics, May June 2023. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use this word my topper student. You will find the channel my topper student. For the online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In paper 3, today we shall discuss question number 11. In the question number 11, the points A and B have position vector I plus 2j minus 2k and 2i minus j plus k respectively. The line L has equation r equal to I minus j plus 3k plus mu into 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Show that L does not intersect the line passing through the A and B. So now we shall show that the line L and the line through A and B does not intersect. So the position vector of point A is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k, and the position vector of B is B equal to I minus j plus k. We know that in order to find out the equation of the vector from 2 points, we have formula r equal to A vector plus lambda into B minus A. This is the position vector. Okay. By putting the value of A and B and after simplification, we get xi plus yj plus 2 plus k plus zk equal to 1 plus lambda into I plus 2 minus 3 lambda into j plus minus 2 plus 3 lambda into k. By comparing the value of ij and k and after simplification, we get x equal to 1 plus lambda, y equal to 2 minus 3 lambda and z equal to minus 2 plus 3 lambda. So in question, now given equation of line as given in the question statement is r equal to I minus j plus 3k plus mu into 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Converting it into its component form and by comparison of ijk, we have x equal to 1 plus 2 mu, y equal to minus 1 minus 3 mu and z equal to minus 3 plus 4 mu. If two lines intersect, then the equation 1 and 2 will become, we have after comparison and simplification, we get lambda minus 2 mu equal to 0, minus 3 lambda plus 3 mu equal to minus 3 and 3 lambda minus 4 mu plus 5 equal to 5. Question number 5. From question number 3, lambda equal to 2 mu, from this we shall put lambda equal to 2 mu in equation number 3. After simplification, we get mu equal to 1. So put mu equal to 1 and lambda equal to 2 mu equal, lambda equal to 2. Put lambda equal to 2 and mu equal to 1 in equation number 5. After simplification, we get 4 equal to 5 as left hand side not equal to right hand side. So the both equation L and the line from 2 point does not intersect. For the part B, find the position vector of the foot of the perpendicular from A to L. The point A is I plus 2j minus 2k and the line L is as given in the question statement is equal to I minus j plus 3k plus mu into 2i minus 3j plus 4k. The point form of the given A vector is equal to I 1 2 minus 2 and the line in the point form is equal to 1 plus 2 mu minus 1 minus 3 mu 3 plus 4 mu. Direction ratio of AP is equal to, after simplification, you get 2 mu plus minus 3 mu plus 3 plus 4 mu plus 5. The direction of line L is equal to 2, 3, 4. As AP is perpendicular to L, so the product of A of this line and the direction ratio of this line will be equal to 0. After simplification, we get mu equal to minus 1. When we put mu equal to minus 1 in points P, we get P equal to minus 1, 2, minus 1. So the position vector is minus 1 plus 2j minus k. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.